the beautiful girl that I met made in Japan. The beauty of her face was beyond my wildest dreams.
Hi everyone, my name is Salsabila Maulida and I'm a student of the English Education Study Program. In this presentation, I will discuss the use of dictionaries and thesauruses and how they can help improve our vocabulary skill. I hope this presentation will be useful and easy to understand. And without further ado, let's begin the presentation. And the slides. Once, like the title is using a dictionary and thesaurus to improve vocabulary. This is the little of my presentation using dictionary and thesaurus to improve vocabulary. Throughout this presentation, we will learn about the importance of dictionary and thesaurus in learning English and improving vocabulary. And slide 2, like objective. Before we begin, let's look at the objective of this presentation. Like we can learn about understanding what a dictionary is and understand the pronunciation key and understand the function of the source and improve vocabulary skill. And the other main goals that I hope we can achieve throughout this presentation. And slide 3, like what is a dictionary? First, let's discuss what a dictionary is. A dictionary is a prepared book that provides meaning, pronunciation, spelling, and using of words. A dictionary is very important for language learners because it helps us understand unfamiliar words. Like we can learn about learn new words, checks meanings, improving pronunciation, and improve writing skill. There are some reasons why dictionaries are useful in learning English. In the next slide, like dictionary. Now let's look at a sample dictionary entry. Like dictionary pronunciation is dictionary, and meaning dictionary is like kamus in Indonesian, and definition like a book or online research that provides meaning of words. And example sentence like I use a dictionary to learn new English words. And for this example, we can see that a dictionary provides pronunciation, meaning, definition, and example sentence. And the next slide, like get words and entry. Next, I will explain two important parts of vocabulary, like get words and entry. The first one, like get words. Get word pronunciation is get words, and get word meaning is kata panduan, and definition like words at the top of a dictionary page that help to locate interest. An example sentence like get word have readers find word quickly. Like get words have using find word quickly. And the next entry pronunciation is entry, and the meaning is entry, the same, and definition like important information about a word in a dictionary. Example sentence like each dictionary enters contain useful information. And the next slide 6, like definition and pronunciation. Now let's discuss definition and pronunciation. And the first definition pronunciation is definition, and the meaning like definisi and definition like the meaning of words and example sentence for definition, like read the definition before using two words. And the next, pronunciation. Pronunciation is pronunciation, like pronunciation. Pronunciation. Pronunciation meaning is pengucapan, like in Indonesia, and definition like the way a word is spoken. And for example sentence like good pronunciation improve communication, and like good pronunciation can improve your communication. Slide number 7, syllable and vocabulary. Next, let's discuss syllable and vocabulary. Syllable pronunciation is syllable, and the meaning of suku kata, and syllable definition is a unit of pronunciation. But example sentence like dictionary has 4 syllables. The next, vocabulary. Vocabulary pronunciation is vocabulary. The meaning of vocabulary is kosakata, and definition like the words known and used by a person. For example sentence like reading books can improve vocabulary. And the more vocabulary we know, the easier it is to become communication in English. And the next slide 8, like the source. After discussing a dictionary, let's move on to the source. The source pronunciation is thesaurus. The meaning is like thesaurus, and definition like a reference book that contains synonym and antonym. For example sentence of the source like I use the source when writing essay. Like the source help us find synonym and antonym. It is very useful when writing because it helps us understand and us phrase repeating the same words. And the next slide, like synonym and antonym. Two important concepts in the source are synonym and antonym. Number 1, synonym. Synonym pronunciation is synonym, and the meaning is like synonym, and definition like a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. For example sentence for synonym like big and large are synonym. And the next, antonym. Antonym pronunciation is antonym. Definition, the meaning of antonym like antonym, and definition is a word has the opposite meaning of another word. And example sentence, hot and cold are synonym. And the next slide, expression and confidence. Now let's learn 2 more vocabulary words like expression. Expression pronunciation is expression. Meaning is like expressive, and definition is expression like a word or phrase used to communicate an idea. Example sentence like thank you is a common expression. And the next, confident. Confident pronunciation is confident. Confident meaning is percaya diri in Indonesia, and definition like feeling sure about yourself. And example sentence, she is a confident when speaking English. Confidence is important because it helps us speaking English and more comfortability. And the next slide, like slim and aroma. Slim pronunciation is slim. The meaning is slashing, and definition like attractively thin. Example sentence like she has a slim figure. And the next, aroma. Aroma pronunciation is aroma. Meaning is aroma and definition like a present small and example sentence. The coffee has a wonderful aroma. These examples show how dictionary have as learn new words. And before moving to activity, let's review the vocabulary that we have learned in this presentation, like summary, dictionary, get words, entry, definition, pronunciation, syllable, vocabulary, thesaurus, synonym, antonym, expression, confident, slim, and aroma. The are the vocabulary words that we discussed today. We start by learning about dictionary and the parts such get word, entries, definition, and pronunciation. Then we learn about the source and how they have a span, synonym, and antonym. We also studied several vocabulary words and including expression, confidence, slim, and aroma. Let's move to game session. Now let's test our understanding. Took a simple game called Match the Word. Match the Word. This activity will help us review of the vocabulary that we have learned in this presentation. And question number 1, we have match the words with their meanings. Words like A dictionary, B aroma, C confidence, C synonym. And the meaning present small, a book contain words meaning and feeling sure about yourself, and a words with similar meaning. And please take a few moment to think about the correct answer. And let's check them together the answer. The answer is dictionary match number 2 because dictionary is book contain words meaning, and aroma match number 1 because aroma means a pleasant smell, and confidence match number 3 because it's meant feeling sure about yourself, and synonym match number 4 because it is word with similar meaning. And great. Now let's continue to the next activity. The next slide, vocabulary quiz. Next, we have a sort of vocabulary quiz. Please try to answer each question based on what we have learned. Question number 5, a book that provides meaning and pronunciation of words. A thesaurus, B for dictionary, C for vocabulary, D for expression. Think about the correct answer. And the correct answer is B, dictionary. And the next question, number 6, I use to find synonym and antonym. E for thesaurus, dictionary, B for thesaurus, C for magazine, and D for notebook. And the correct answer is B, thesaurus, because a thesaurus provides synonym and antonym. And the next slide, vocabulary quiz number 7. Question number 7. Which word means a pleasant smell? A for context, B aroma, C expression, D entry. And by the way, do you remember the meaning of aroma? Yes, the correct answer is B, aroma. And question number 8. Select the word that describes someone who feels sure about themselves. Like A for slim, B for appropriate, C for confident, D for accurate. And the correct answer is C, confident. Confident is important because it helps us communication more effectively. And vocabulary quiz, the next slide, like question number 9. Like find the 5 option name. Like A, hot and cold, B for big and large, C for tall and short, and D for happy and sad. And the correct answer is B, like big and large, because both words have a similar meanings. And the last question, number 10. Choose the opposite of hot, like A for warm, B for cold, C for heat, and D for fire. And the correct answer is B, cold. And that's all for me for game session and vocabulary quiz. This question helps us remember the meaning of antonym, which are words with opposite meaning. And the next slide, we can see the answer K. Like now let's check all the answer together. And the game session like match two words. The answer like E match for 2, B match for 1, and C match for 3, and D match for number 4. And the next multi-choice, number 5 answer is B, number 6 answer is B, number 7 answer is B, number 8 answer is C, number 9 answer is B, and the last number 10 answer is B. If you answer correct, that's great. And if not, that's okay, because the purpose of this activity is help us review and remember the vocabulary. I hope this game and quizzes have made the learning process more interesting and enjoyable. Before closing this presentation, I will explain about in conclusion. In conclusion, dictionary and thesaurus are useful towards improving vocabulary, like the help us understanding meanings and learn pronunciation and pen synonym and antonym, and the last like use words correctly in communication. Based on what we have learned today, dictionary and thesaurus play an important role in learning English. Dictionary help us understand the meaning, pronunciation, and use of words, while thesaurus help expand our vocabulary by providing synonym and antonym. We use the tool regularly. We can improve our speaking, writing, reading, and communication skill. For English learning,
a few moments later.
And I want to say thank you for your attention, and I will compare my impression and message while learning vocabulary. Vocabulary building has helped me improve my vocabulary and understanding of English words. I hope the knowledge gets from this course will be used in the future. Thank you everyone, and bye.